Ini bilik kita orang dekat Island Paradise Resort and Island. So I'm gonna show you guys our room. Okay, so this is the living room. Got dining table here, mini office table here, living room, and you can see outside. And here is our bedroom. Okay. So this is our walk-in wardrobe. Okay. This is our bathroom. Ada his and her sink. This is the bathroom. And the toilet. Heaven Suite ni ada 3 bilik air. Katil. And the best part is setiap hari bangun tidur bolehlah nak feeling terus buka pintu and boleh access terus ke private pool. So ini adalah private pool. And ada orang main parasailing kat sana. Private pool ni dalam 4 kaki macam tu. And ada tangga akses ke terus ke dalam laut. And that's my sister. Hi Mawa. And that's my mom. Hi mak. And that's my cousin Muiz. And itu adalah outdoor shower. And the best part is instead of private swimming pool and swimming pool besar lagi Tuhan, natural swimming pool, and kita ada jacuzzi, outdoor jacuzzi of course.